Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. So we are in the last shloka of this Samarasya shloka, Sangraha. Let us begin with the Dhyana shloka altogether. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Gravitam Puranamuninam Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Astadashaadhyayini Amratvamanusandhami Bhagavad-gite Bhagavad-veshini Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Sunnanti Divyaistavaihi Vedaihi Samnapadakramopaniषदैः Gayanti Yam Samadaः Dhyanavasthitatadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yoginah Yasyantam न vidussurasuraganaः Devaya tasmai namaः Vasudevasutam devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mukam karoti vachalam Pangum nandhayate girim Yatkripatamaham vande Paramanandamadhavam Parasharyavachas sarojamamalam Geetarthadantotthatam Nanakyanakakesaram haritata Sambodhanabodhitam Loke sajjana षट्पदैरहरः Epiyamanan mula Bhuyat bharata pankajam kalimala Radham srinashreyase Atha Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Mokshartham Yoga Pranali Samarasya Shloka Sangraha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Aneka Chitta Vighrantaha Mohajala Samavritaha Prasaktah Kamabhogeshu Radhanti Narakeshu Chau Urdhvam Gachanti Sattvasthaha Madhye Tishthanti Rajasaha Jaganyaguna-vrittisthaha Adho Gachanti Tamasaha Chaturvidha Bhajante Maam Jana Sukrutinarjuna Arto Jignasurartharthi Jnani cha Bharatarshabha Kayena Manasa Buddhya Kevalairindrayairapi Yoginah Karma Kurvanti Sangam Tyaktva Shuddhaye Uttamah Purushastvanyah Paramatmetyudakritaha Yo Lokatrayamavishya Vivartyavyaya Ishvaraha Tasmat Shastram Pramanante Karya Vyavasthitau Jnatva Shastra शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनेकस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयो ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद्वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् यं लब्ध्वा चापरं लाभं मन्यते नाधिकं ततः यस्मिन् स्थितो न दुःखेन गुरुणापि विचाल्यते मुक्तसङ्गो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योऽस्मिन्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति रमन्ति च बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव चार्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप नाहङ्कृतो भावः बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते हि स इमान् लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते सिद्धिं प्राप्तो यथा ब्रह्मा तथाप्नोति निबोध मे समासेनैव कौन्तेय निष्ठा ज्ञानस्य या परा न काले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भृगोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यम्. So today is this shloka, last shloka. तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्. तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्. Now all together. तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्र Let us contemplate this shloka today. Jayati Parasharasunu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayam Amritam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Janamo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamasraye. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. Today happens to be one of the important auspicious day in our tradition of Sanatana Dharma. That all of you know. What is that? Akshaya Tritiya. That is beautiful. And we are concluding the last shloka of this Samarasya Shloka Sangraha. That means our contemplation also should become Akshaya. So that means indefinitely, continuously, without any break, this contemplation also should become Akshaya. We are just giving a conclusion today. Just in the number of shlokas, 18 shloka is getting completed. That is what 18 means. It is indefinite. That is only Paramatma. We are reaching God. So let that contemplation of Akshaya Tritiya. Akshaya Tritiya happens to be in various dimensions. We have this celebration of this Akshaya Tritiya actually. Akshaya Tritiya is the day where Treta Yuga started on this day only. Treta Yuga. Is it not? Very important. This one is. And then we have, that is Parashurama Avatara happened. Parashurama Jayanti also on Akshaya Tritiya day. Then so many things are coinciding with this. Even Basavanna Jayanti is also today. Basava Jayanti, the great Harikara, Manavatavadi, Samanatavadi of Karnataka. Yes, is it not? Basava Jayanti. That's why we have very thin attendance here. Other schools are taking holiday. It is a state holiday. But we should really contemplate all these things. And then another important thing is, I need not tell. Everyone will go behind jewelry shop. Oh, that is not at all. Akshayo bhavatu sarvesham. This is very important. What is that Akshaya has to happen in our life? Akshayo bhavatu sarvesham. Arogyayushya sampada. Our arogya should become Akshaya. Ayushya should become Akshaya. Arogya Ayushya Sampadaha. Akshayo Bhavatu Sarvesham. Arogya Ayushya Sampadaha. Punyantu Vardhatam Nityam. Yes, our Punya Karma has to always increase day by day, year by year. Our Punya Karma has to always progress. Punyantu Vardhatam Nityam. Bhakti Gnanadi. Bhakti and Gnanadi Sampada. This is what? This should become Akshaya in our life. Not your locker with money and gold. If that becomes more in your life, the more Kali is going to bother you too much. Because Kali is there in only in money and gold. Because in Kali Yuga, it is the gold which is going to get attracted too much. So in Kali Yuga, that Kali is there only in gold. Let us not, I don't know how it came up. We never used to. In our childhood, nobody used to stand in queue in jewelry shop in the year 60s, 70s and 80s. I don't know how it came up. Taking gold will make you Akshaya. No, it gives you a lot of headache also. More gold means your neck will be more with weightage. If you wear, then it will bring you a headache only. Even if we keep it in locker, we don't know who is going to clear the locker only when it is going to get clear. That is another headache. So let that not become Akshayo Bhavatu Sarvesham Arogya Ayushya Sampada. Let us contemplate that. Arogya and Ayushya Sampada. Punyantu Vardhatam Nityam Bhakti Gnanadi Sampada. Bhakti and Gnana should be always along with us, because we always pray in front of God only Gnana Bhakti Vairagya. That's it. Nothing else you should pray for. Only Gnana Bhakti and Vairagya. So with that, let us contemplate this shloka. Today's shloka. Tameva Sharanam Gacha. It is in the 18th chapter, 62nd sloka as it is there. Tam eva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata. Tat prasadat param shantim sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. This is something like ultimate advice to Arjuna. Yes, while addressing Arjuna, Krishna says Bharata. Bharata means all Bharatavasis. Yes, it's all addressing to us only. All the people here, not only in Bharata. What about other people? No, it is for every jiva, every soul. This address by Krishna is to every soul. Tam eva. What is that tam eva? You have to take shelter in him only. Who? Go to the previous sloka. The Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam Hriddeshe Arjuna Tishtati. That is the previous one. Ishvaraha Sarva Bhutanam Hriddeshe Arjuna Tishtati. Brahmayan Sarva Bhutani Yantra Arudhani Mayaya. This is what is the previous one which is connecting to this one. Tameva Sharanam Gaccha. Whom? Ishvarameva Sharanam Gaccha. That is Ishvaraha Sarva Bhutanam. Shankaracharya explains in his commentary. What is Ishvara? Ishvaraha, Ishanashilaha, Narayana Ityarthaha. It is given by Shankaracharya in his commentary. Who is that Ishvara? Ishvara is none other than Narayana only. That is the commentary done by Shankara. So, Tameva. So, you have to take shelter in that Narayana only, ultimate. Tameva Sharanam Gaccha. Sarva Bhavena Bharata. All your bhava of whether it is karma, jnana, bhakti, rajayoga, whatever the bhava you have, all your emotions should culminate in him only. That should end in him only. Sarva bhavena bharata. Oh Bharata Putra, Bharata Shrestha. So he is addressing him as Bharata. Then what you will get? Tat prasadat. When you do this, tat prasadat. Only by Ishvara Prasada, only by his mercy, only by his blessings only, the soul can reach to the Param Shantim. Parashanti means what? Ultimate happiness. Where does the ultimate happiness lies? It lies only in with the God only. Nowhere else. If you are here means this is not ultimate happiness. We are trying to find ultimate happiness here with some other materialistic happiness. That is not ultimate happiness. Param Shanti is always with the Supreme Lord. So we are here, we have to reach that Param Shanti. How can we go? Only by Tat Prasada. How that Tat Prasada will happen? Only by taking shelter and complete surrenderance. Tam eva sharanam gaccha. So we have to take complete surrenderance to him only. Tameva sharanam gaccha. Sarva bhavena bharata. Tat prasadat param shantim. Then what you will get? Sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. That sthana what you reach by his mercy only. See, moksha also it is told. Moksha to get, so we have to get the prasada from him only. Only as a mercy. He should think that in his mind it should come that, oh, I must give, accord or sanction moksha to this soul. That should be there in God's mind. Then only. See, our way is there. We are praying every day. We want moksha, I want moksha, like that. Liberation. But in him also that should come. Okay, this is a special devotee. So this is what is the purpose, where when we do all the procedures or the preparatory procedures, sadhana marga, whatever we do, all our traditions are also going behind that only. In one day or the other, every day is a festival day. But all those festivities, it disciplines us and it helps us to go into that path of that sadhana. So that sadhana marga, only by his prasada, tat prasadat param shantim sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. That is only shashvata sthana. After telling this only, he concludes, now I have told you everything, gukyat gukyataram maya. So this is how he is going to conclude this complete Bhagavad Gita, Upadesha, Gita-Upanishad. Therefore, we are ending this Samarasya Shloka also from various yogas in culminating in Tameva Sharanam Gaccha. So, on this auspicious Akshaya Tritiya day, let our determination to go into the shelter of the Lord, Tameva Sharanam Gaccha, that also should become Akshaya. Not only today, every day that determination has to increase in us. So with this kind of attitude, if we move in sadhana marga, definitely we reach that param shantim and sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. This is the gist. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Sarve bhavantu sukhina